What can go wrong? One spark is all it takes. On a rig, one mistake can be deadly. And when it comes to electricity, there are no second chances. In today's episode, we'll show you how to spot the dangers, stay protected, and avoid the most common electrical hazards that threaten lives offshore. One spark is all it takes. It only takes one mistake, one forgotten step, one exposed cable, and everything could change forever. Welcome to RigPro Academy. What can go wrong? This episode is powered by our new field guide, Shockproof, Electrical Safety Essentials for Oil Rigs. Grab your copy for the full checklist, real-life incidents, and life-saving tips. Let's walk through the deadliest threats you face as an electrical technician on the rig. Today, we're diving into how to avoid deadly electrical hazards on oil rigs, with real stories, proven steps, and a powerful safety checklist just for you. These are the silent killers, often invisible, always dangerous. First, understanding electrical hazards. Second, what is an electrical hazard? Electric shock, arc, electrocution. Third, common hazard sources. 1. Wet environments. 2. High voltage cables. 3. Poor insulation. 4. Improper grounding. Finally, why are drilling rigs considered high-risk environments? Every rig engineer must treat electricity like a live weapon, unseen, silent, and deadly if ignored. Real case study, near-miss incident. Let me share a real story. A junior technician was resetting a breaker panel. He didn't know that moisture had seeped into the panel housing overnight. The result? An arc flash explosion and second-degree burns. He was severely injured due to arc flash and spent 6 months recovering. Electrical work offshore is unforgiving. Arc flashes, electric shocks, and explosive circuits, these aren't theory, they're real risks. We've seen workers burned, systems shut down, and lives put in danger, all because someone skipped a step or took a shortcut. This is unusual and could have been avoided with 2 minutes of planning. Break down what went wrong. 1. No PPE. 2. No infrared check or Megger test. 3. No lockout/tagout procedure followed. Safety protocols that save lives. The electrical safety checklist. Number 1. Use of proper personal protective equipment, PPE. Number 2. Lockout/tagout, LOTO, every time. Number 3. Use IR cameras and Megger testing before any intervention. Number 4. Always ground and bond systems before maintenance. Number 5. Regular training and safety drills. Following this checklist is not an option, it's your duty. On a rig, every wire could be the last thing you touch if you don't respect the rules. And now, you don't have to guess. Download your field electrical safety checklist below, based on years of rig experience, tested by pros in the field. Case file, when it all went wrong. He thought it would take 2 minutes. No gloves, no test, no lock. What followed was third-degree burns and a full rig shutdown. This isn't just a mistake, it's a message. Complacency kills. Be shockproof, take action today. If you work around electricity, you need to be shockproof. Download the free safety checklist below. And for the full field guide, grab your copy of our new ebook, Shockproof, a field guide to rig electrical safety. Train smart, work safe, live strong. Subscribe to RigPro Academy for more field-tested knowledge and drop a comment. What's the closest call you've had around electricity on the rig? Let's make safety personal. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you'll never miss another RigPro video, and see you in the next video. Bye. Stay tuned. In our next episode, we'll dive into a critical topic. Why did the top drive stop working? Electrical versus mechanical failures. Your experience starts with the proper knowledge.